Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry. Let's get into tonight's video newsletter. A little more lift seems to be the topic, and at least as I see it, the lift that I'm trying to get is that going to be for Thursday and Friday. So I've got a lot of different reasons to think that the market, may be trying to make a more important bottom here. Off of that, can Thursday and Friday bring 57.50? That's all I'm looking for. And I think this is also when you say just a little bit higher, it's working to emphasize two sides of trade. That is to say that I think we could have a little bit more of an up session, but bulls are not totally out of the woods just yet. I really think that 57.50 is interesting from a strike-based point of view, but you'll also notice that would be right here at the underside of the 200-day simple moving average, and that's going to be a huge critical spot. So I think we can rally there Thursday and Friday. What you're looking for is to see if the lift that markets have had so far can continue into options expiration. That's what's important to think about as far as timing is concerned, is that those options, the puts that everybody bought as this thing was, moving down lower, anyone that didn't cash them in, those are really starting to lose value. As they decay, it can help provide lift to the markets. Again, from today's closing price, I think that means we have another 75 handles up. And if we did get it, then I would look at start setting up, at least some short call spreads. Again, the question would be with failure from here. I think something like this would be typical. It's the, do you make a new low? That is the much bigger question. But got to take it one step at a time. And at least for now, this is what I'm watching for into Friday. If that unfolds, use it as a big cautionary point into next week, and we will update those ideas from there. So y'all have a great expiration, and I hope to see you in the room tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.